Not knowing what to do, not knowing where to start, and not having to figure it out on your own are some of the biggest complaints that I hear from small business owners about why they don't do marketing, why they don't do it effectively, or why they don't do it consistently. I'm Brian Ostrowski. I'm the founder and CEO of Locable, creator of Marketing 345, and we're solving these problems for you. So we started with guided blogging, which provide a prompt-based approach to creating authentic, incredible content for your business, even if you're not creative, not a good writer, and don't have much time. And now we have account setup guides. So if you know that you want to start sending email newsletters, you just say, I want to start sending email newsletters. We will walk you through the process of setting up and creating your emails. And at any time, if you get stuck, our support team is there to help. You want to start supporting your community with a community directory, maybe a community calendar, job board. You just select that and you can create them, add them to your website following our step-by-step instructions. Now, anyone can be effective at marketing very, very quickly. We even estimate how long the initial setup will take you. Most are between 10 and 15 minutes, a few are a bit longer. But the beauty is, once your stuff is set up, it's either automated or requires simple marketing activities that you can do in 15 minutes or less. So check out the new guides, sign up for your new account, or if you already have an account, activate the guides for the things you want to do and let us know what you think. If you get stuck, if you need help, we're there. Let's work together and take back local.